Hello everyone! My name is Gina and welcome to my channel. If you guys are here, I'm sure that you're interested in learning Korean, and that's fantastic. I know that starting a new language could be a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry, you're not alone. I'm gonna help you guys. Today, I'm going to introduce you 10 Korean basic sentences. These sentences are for beginners and not only just simple and also practical. Whether you are planning a trip to Korea, want to understand K-drama and K-pop better, or just have an interest in language, these basic sentences will help you everyday conversations and make you feel confident. So let's learn these sentences together. Ready? Let's go! The first sentence is 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요, which means hello. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. The second one is 감사합니다, which means thank you. 감사합니다. The third sentence is 죄송합니다, which means I'm sorry. 죄송합니다. The next one is 네, which means yes. We use this to agree or give a positive responses. 네. The fifth sentence is 아니요, which means no. 아니요. The next one is 이름이 뭐예요? What's your name? 이름이 뭐예요? The seventh sentence is 저는 진아입니다. My name is Gina. Good job. The next one is 어디서 왔어요? Which means where are you from? 어디서 왔어요? 저는 서울에서 왔어요. I'm from Seoul. 저는 서울에서 왔어요. The last one is 좋아요. 네, 좋아요, which means I like it. So today we learned about 10 basic Korean sentences. How was it? It was really quite simple, right? Practice this regularly and you become more fluent. Remember, learning a language is a long journey. I'll be back with the more useful Korean lessons videos. And don't forget to subscribe and comment if you like. Thank you. See you next time. 다음에 또 만나요.